Tornadoes can be very beautiful like I covered in my last video, but they are still one of the worst natural disasters and in my opinion the scariest that occur on planet Earth, as in this video I will cover some of the scariest tornadoes ever. Old tornado photos are terrifying because of that grainy look to them, as most of the scariest tornadoes are from before the 21st century. In 1957, a massive F5 tornado hit Ruskin Heights. This tornado looks terrifying and had 44 fatalities. The Palm Sunday outbreak had many bad tornadoes, including the strong and very scary F4 that hit Dunlap, Indiana. The terrifying tornado killed 36 people on its path, as it is one of the worst tornadoes from the outbreak. The 1997 tornado season started off pretty active with a large outbreak on March 1st with many F4 tornadoes, but towards the end of tornado season on May 27, a rope tornado formed near Garrell, Texas. The tornado became a multiple vortex tornado when a creepy picture was taken where the tornado appears to have arms, legs, and a sickle. The name Dead Man Walking comes from a Native American myth that means if you see the dead man walking you're about to die. The tornado continued on its path as it flattened a part of Jarrell called Double Creek Estates, as it killed 30 people, as some of the worst tornado damage ever. This photo of a dark, spooky stovepipe tornado was the EF3 that hit Dallas, Texas in October of 2019. The tornado damaged the suburbs of the large city of Dallas, Texas, and gladly had 0 fatalities and injuries, thankfully, as it hit one of the most populated cities in America. In April 2017, a massive mile-wide EF3 tornado began south of Canton, Texas. The tornado moved north, hitting Canton at around a mile wide. This scary, humongous wedge tornado sadly had 2 fatalities. The 1974 super outbreak was a tragic event that spanned from April 3 to April 4 as 148 tornadoes happened. Multiple of them looked very scary. This includes one of the 7 F5 tornadoes that hit Sailor Park, Ohio. This scary tornado began north of Rising Sun, Kentucky and moved north, impacting Sailor Park and western Cincinnati. The tornado had 3 fatalities. Another terrifying F5 hit Gwinn, Alabama. The tornado was a large wedge as it had 28 fatalities. The last tornado that I will talk about from the 1974 super outbreak is the deadliest of the outbreak and the most famous, as it is the Xenia F5 tornado. The massive multiple vortex tornado destroyed 80% of the town of Xenia. This photo is the scariest to me because the large wedge tornado is on top of the town, about to go right through the parking lot. In the last 3 years, 2 terrible EF4 tornadoes have hit at nighttime. One of them is the 2021 Western Kentucky tornado. This massive, tragic, scary tornado killed 58 people and multiple houses were completely swept from their foundations. Another scary EF4 hit the town of Rolling Fork and Silver City. This tornado had 17 fatalities and destroyed many houses. In 1987, a rare F4 hit the city of Edmonton, Canada. The tornado killed 24 and was named the Black Friday tornado. On June 8, 1966, a scary F5 hit Topeka, Kansas and had 16 fatalities. Please like and subscribe.